be scared.
You're kidding me. I'm going to get Mr. Simpson.
Claire, wait. I just need a second.
You're going to be in trouble for even stepping on school grounds. Don't you remember what you did?
Totally. That's why I need to talk to you. I need to make this right. I need you to forgive me. When I was here, I was messed up, Claire. I was lost. But while I was away, I found some answers. I found the answer. I found Jesus. Your next lesson. Let's practice going backwards. Put on the brake, put it in reverse. Claire. Are you sure you're alright?
I felt sick.
What? What?
Just before you got here, I talked to him. When he was locked up, he found God.
You believe that, Claire? This knows you, Claire. She knows your weakness.
And what is that?
Forgiveness angle, the whole Jesus thing. And forgive me where I sinned. You see? You pulled a knife on me.
I think there's more to it than that.
It's so hard for me to do my job.
Your job?
As your boyfriend, my job is to protect you.
I never asked you to do that.
Well, not me, too.
You're not up for another one of your lessons.
Claire, I didn't mean it like that.
Maybe I did a lot of things to funny, talented. You hear me alright? But there's something weirdly possessive and overprotective. As in that. I would say that he's in the sweetest, most female guy in the world for a caveman. Protecting her is like his way of saying he cares. Well, I wish he could write an apology instead. When he gets all super protective, I feel like I can't breathe. I feel like I'm being overwhelmed. And he's worth it. He's here? Yeah? No, sit. He's here. Well, he starts to sweat. You say, did you tell if you hire him psychos? You drink or not, you someone else in there. No. No, this is our spot. You belong here, not him. Come on, I gotta get home anyway. That man is saying. Why here?
You need a job.
Well, you know you run into certain people you shouldn't be running into.
Father Greg has a workplace in this program. This is here to be close to home.
Father Greg?
The chaplain at Judy. He saw how screwed up I was. He showed me another way.
Look, I'm glad you found God. But that doesn't mean you have to talk to me.
For the record, you're the one talking to me right now.
Keep your distance from me, Eli. I'm serious.
I'm sorry. No, I mean, I'm sorry. When I do it again, I never meant to hurt Eli. I just wanted to scare him. What he asked for.
An eye for an eye.
But it was wrong. Is there any way you can forgive me?
Claire, don't. Don't.
I guess. I forgive you.
Damn it.
Thank you. Look, Father Gregory said I need to make this right, not just with you, but with Eli.
With what?
I could try. With your help. You can forgive me. Maybe Eli can too. Don't you think that would be, like, really good for him?
Try to talk to you. I said, no problem.
I know. Get away from me. Shit. Back off. I'm serious. Here, come on. Okay?
Yes, I'm fine. This works here. We were just talking for a minute.
For what?
Tell me.
Okay. I just wanted to tell you and Claire are you coming with me or not?
You might be a jackass, but he's a jackass who loves you.